In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit full name in Smartsheet. Profile Setup 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your name shows up correctly across sheets, notifications, and shared items. This is a simple update, but it helps teammates recognize you and keeps your account consistent. Especially if you've changed your name or want to fix capitalization and spelling. Start by opening your web browser and going to smartsheet.com. Sign in the way you normally do, whether that's with your standard credentials or a single sign-on option provided by your organization. Complete any verification if prompted, and you'll be taken right into your workspace. After you log in, you'll land on the home area. This is your hub where you can access recent items, favorites, and shared work. Look to the left side of the screen for the main navigation sidebar. If you don't see it, it may be collapsed. Hover or click to expand it so you can view the available menus. At the very bottom of that left sidebar, find your profile icon. It may display your initials or a small photo, depending on your setup. Click that icon to open account-related options, and then choose Personal Settings. When you select Personal Settings, your profile panel will appear, showing details tied to your account. Inside Personal Settings, locate the field for your full name. Click into that field and edit it to reflect exactly how you'd like it to appear. Use correct capitalization and include middle initials or suffixes only if you want them visible on shared sheets and emails. Keep in mind that this name is how collaborators will see you across comments, activity logs, and notifications, so pick the format that's clear and professional for your team. Once you've made your changes, make sure to save. Look for a Save or Save Changes button in the profile panel and click it to confirm the update. If the button appears disabled, double check that you actually modified the text. After saving, you should see a brief confirmation, and your updated name will be applied to your account. That's it. You've updated your full name in Smartsheet. If you don't see the change reflected immediately in an open sheet or browser tab, refresh the page to reload your account details. Thanks for watching. And if this was helpful, feel free to follow along with more quick setup guides to keep your Smartsheet profile polished and up to date.